Spice and masala means a mixture of anything, spices and people. You know, they use it as a slang, you know, whatever. So I'm gonna lay it out here so you can see all the different spices. So these are all hot spices because they create heat in the body. That's why it's called garam. Garam means hot. Garam means hot. Like, oh, that's hot, you know. So this creates heat in the body. So that's why it's called that. And this includes mostly it is coriander seeds, and then next is cumin, and then you have some cloves, and this is black cardamom. I don't know if anybody knows about black cardamom, and cinnamon, and black peppercorns, and I think that's about it. And if you want, you can put bay leaf in here, and you can have your own personal family.